Part 1, the common mistake. At first glance, this math problem looks incredibly simple. Many people look at it and immediately think the answer is 0. Let's look at how they arrive at that wrong answer. The most common mistake is working from left to right. People subtract 5 from 5 first, which gives you 0. The remaining things are as they are. Next, they subtract 5 from 5 inside the parentheses, leaving another 0. The remaining thing is as it is. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, right? Wrong. This entire method breaks the fundamental laws of math. Part 2, the right way using BODMAS. To solve this correctly, we must use the proper order of operations, BODMAS. Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Step 1, brackets. We must calculate what is inside the parentheses first. 5 minus 5 gives us 0. The remaining things are as they are. Step 2, in this expression, there are no exponents or division, so we perform multiplication next. A number directly next to a parenthesis means multiplication. We must multiply 5 by 0 before we do any subtraction. 5 times 0 is 0. The remaining thing is as it is. Step 3, there are no addition, so that's subtraction. Finally, we take the remaining 5 and subtract 0. The real, mathematically correct answer is 5. That's it, thank you.